cement formation follows following process. Follows following process. First, mining of limestone and its crushing. Second, limestone through calcination process heated into rotary kilns, with the help of coal burning. Understood? अब यहाँ से कोल बर्निंग से मुझे क्या मिल गया? फ्लाई ऐश and nearby thermal power plants. Third stage, I said that clinker produced in the second stage get blended with either fly ash or slag or together. Along with gypsum, bauxite, clay and silica are blended to make cement. थोड़ा सा एक आइडिया आपको रखना होगा. I said that ordinary Portland cement. One it is I said that ordinary Portland cement. Another I said that Portland pozzolana cement. And then I said that Portland slag cement. समझ में आ रहा है? Ordinary Portland cement, it is I said that cement with gypsum. Understood? And then simply if I said that Portland pozzolana cement, it means it is I said that along with fly ash. And Portland slag cement, it is along with I said slag. समझ में आ गया? And then इसमें यदि हमने इसमें fly ash add किया है तो there will be also I said that gypsum. It is not like that gypsum नहीं होगा. There will be also gypsum and there will be also some amount of gypsum. Understood it? समझ में आ गया? So what is the three types I said that? I said that Portland, ordinary Portland cement, जिसमें cement along with the gypsum, and then we have seen I said that Portland pozzolana cement, it may this is in a cement along with gypsum के साथ. I said that there is in a fly ash, and then I said that ppsc Portland pozzolana cement, and then we have been able to see Portland slag cement. Means here it is in a cement with the gypsum with slag. Understood it? Clear? और धीरे धीरे hardness बढ़ा रहा है. This is in a what hardness of the cement it is becoming. So write down there are the three types of cement. Ordinary Portland cement. Ordinary Portland cement means cement with gypsum only. Second, ordinary Portland cement means cement with gypsum only. Other factors are also there, लेकिन ज़्यादा नहीं है. Clear? Next one, Portland pozzolana cement. Portland pozzolana cement, ppsc. Portland pozzolana cement, Portland pozzolana cement, PPC. It means I said that cement, gypsum and fly ash. Cement, gypsum and fly ash. It is harder than OPC. It is harder than OPC. Yes, it is harder than OPC. Next one I said that Portland slag cement, PSC. It is cement, gypsum plus slag. Clear? So these are the types of, we have been able to see some kind of what clear. अब हमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है, दैट आई सेड दैट अब हम लोग देखने जा रहे हैं कि हमें सीमेंट इंडस्ट्री के लिए क्या चाहिए. वन वी नीड एट सेवरल प्लेसेस वी हैव एन लाइमस्टोन. In India, at several places we have a limestone, and then but coal are available, you know that in this region, you know, and then some amount of other coals are available in this region. Understood? So mostly it is in the eastern side. That is a tertiary coal. That is you can say it is lignite type, and we can say that I need fly ash. And then fly ash can be available at so many places where there is a thermal power plant and electricity is being produced. Understood? So we can be able to see that limestone. तो ध्यान देखेंगे the benefit of, अब केवल ध्यान से समझना है आपको. The benefit of the cement industry, high grade limestone reserves are scattered uniformly all across India. मतलब it is not like that it is not in UP, it is not in Punjab, it is not in Haryana, it is not in Jammu and Kashmir and other states. Every state to some extent I said that it is in a scattered form, it is available. Understood? I said that volume wise limestone accounts for almost 60% of the raw material. Around आप देखते होंगे if I am talking about कि सबसे ज़्यादा आपको क्या चाहिए लगभग limestone. And then since setting up plants near quarries saves an inbound transportation cost and proximity to reserve is the single most important criteria. So हमें इसीलिए हमारी जो proximity of cement industry should be near to the limestone reserve. वैसे इंडिया में हर जगह scattered है, ये समझ में आ गया. Limestone is in all over throughout the India, to some extent it is scattered here and there. Understood? And the most in the cement industry production, the limestone is around what is it, 60 to 70% required. Mining royalty imposed by the state government are paid per ton basis, and the dumpers and the shovels used in mining consume high quantity of diesel, making it the second most important cost driver. It means when we are doing mining, the mining is also we have to give the royalty to the government. Industry, cement industry, those who are mining it, then the royalty, some percentage of royalty goes to the government. And another that I said that it is a very heavy, then the diesel cost. Again it is increasing the cost. Understood? तो हमने उन्हें क्या देखा, limestone resource, it is available everywhere in India in the scattered form. Second, I said the largest amount of limestone required in the 60 to 70% in the production of cement, and therefore it should be located near to the what? Limestone quarrying or limestone mine. Then I said that limestone, when it has been removed from the mining areas, then the two costs included royalty cost, another I said that transport diesel cost through the truck to the mining to the industrial area. So write down about it. Limestone related issues for cement industry. Limestone is available as a reserve. Limestone is available as a reserve in a scattered form throughout India. Second point. Second point I said, limestone required 60 to 70%. Limestone require 60 to 70%. Limestone require 60 to 70% of the total raw materials. Therefore, cement industry should be located near limestone mining areas. And it is the only important criteria for the location of cement industry. Next, at the site of mining, two types of cost involved. First, royalty cost to the government, and second, energy cost involved in diesel consumption to carry limestone to the industry. To the nearby industry. So, energy become the second most important criteria along with coal. Now we have to see about coal. You know that coal reserves are found mostly in which region? Eastern states, where it is available, and 95% of the coal mining is still in the control of center or state government, and then steel, power, cement companies are allowed to do captive or contract mining. उनको आज भी आप लोग देखते हैं कि कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया जाता है. उन लोगों को कैसे माइनिंग करवाई जा रही है? कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेसिस पर, और उस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में आपको बोली लगती है, ऑक्शन एंड ऑल देयर, इट इज देयर. द गवर्नमेंट कंपनीज माइंड कोल, और गवर्नमेंट, एक तो आपको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेसिस पे माइनिंग हो रही है कोल की, अनदर कोल माइनिंग जो हो रहा है, इट इज ऑन द गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग इटसेल्फ, and that is known as the linkage coal. That is known as a what? LINKAG, linkage coal, and it is what, 15 to 20% cheaper than the, I said that, contract coal. Understood? That I said the companies try to maximize linkage of take by better licensing with the railway and coal mining companies. उनके साथ वो अपना to reduce their what? Production cost. Since coal reserves are skewed towards the eastern zone, freight cost is the biggest cost driver. Means transportation cost become what? I said that it is in eastern and we need coal. तो coal तो आ ही रहा है thermal power plant में. But at least somebody, यदि मेरे पास thermal power plant, it is under the NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation, तो वो मुझे ऐसे ही तो नहीं दे देगा fly ash. He will also coal ला रहा है, तो coal का तो at least यदि मुझे thermal power plant पे coal आ रहा है, and we are asking for that, we need more coal because I have to produce cement, तो उस कंपनी को NTPC रेलवे से जो आ रहा है तो ऐसे तो नहीं दे देगा, तो वो तो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट लेगा ही कोल के लिए, and at the same time he will take the fly ash. So again I said that since coal reserves are skewed toward the eastern zone, freight cost means transportation cost is the biggest cost driver, and market coal prices are determined by global supply and demand इक्वेशन. अब ग्लोबल में कितना सप्लाई है, डिमांड कैसा है, उसके ऊपर. And you know that at present India is what? Net exporter. He become the exporter. I have said it is the second position in the world, and he is also exporting to the world. Understood it? So we have been able to understand about the coal. And coal के लिए हमने क्या बोला? There are the two types of coal. One it is in a contract coal. Another it is, I said that it is what? Linkage coal. And then most of the industry wants to take which coal? Linkage coal. And through the railway networking and their own transportation network, it is supplied to the what? Industry. Understood? So therefore they want, I said that, and this is the one of the biggest. So write down, they are the, next is second most important, as we have discussed, second most important factor is energy and coal. And coal